Hello, Namaste everyone. It's me Sangeeta, Nepali language teacher. Welcome to Nepali language class. Nepali भाषा कक्षामा स्वागत छ. In this video, we will learn about third person of the Nepali language, which will help you to communicate better. This video is mainly about third person, so if you want to know about first and second person, you can check out my previous videos, whose links are in the description. So are you guys excited to learn about the third person of the Nepali language? Okay, so let's begin the class. I already told you the meaning of third person in my first video. Third person indicates the person who is being talked about by the first person. So here, u, yo, tyo, casual form, uni, ini, tini, medium form, and uha, waha, respect form. So when and how to use these pronoun, let's learn. U, which means he or she, casual form you can use for your younger siblings, children, and friends. U is used to indicate whoever is being talked about. You might be able to see that person while talking, or the person might not be present in the current situation. Either way you can use. Uni, this is the medium form which is used for a younger person regardless their gender, as both u and uni mean he or she. Both can replace each other, but in general uni is more respectful than u. So for example, u meri bahini ho and uni meri bahini hun. Both mean she is my sister. You can use them either way, as I already told you, but uni is more respectful than u, and here sometimes the person who normally would be addressed using uni might not be present at the place, so people prefer to use u rather than uni, as they don't feel the need to show respect to that person. So you can use u or uni. Plural form of u and uni is uniharu. So here in the picture, the person is pointing and said, "Uniharu mera sathi hun." They are my friends. So you can use if there is more than one person, then you can use uniharu. You, which means he, she, these, it. We can use you for human as well as animals. You is used to point out a person or a thing which is nearby us. We can use this for a younger person or a child if they are beside us. And medium form of you is ini, which means he or she, which is also used for anyone who is beside us. The only difference is that ini is more respectful than you. For example, after 2 years of gap, I met my friend. He is holding a child, so I asked him, "Uko ho?" Who is she? Uko ho. He answered, "Yo meri chori ho." Yo meri chori ho. This is my daughter, or she is my daughter. Or he can answer, "Ini meri chori hun." She is my daughter. He can answer either way. Both are correct and both mean she is my daughter. But nowadays most parents use ini instead of yo as to show their love to their child and teach them manner. Note for you, ini is the more respectful one, while you is the most commonly used one. So you is used for friends, siblings, younger person, animal, and things. So let's take a look of using you to the animals or things. Yo putali ho. This is a butterfly. Yo putalio. This is a butterfly. Yo sisakalam ho. This is a pencil. Yo sisakalam ho. E, plural form of you, which is used to point out a group of people or things and animals nearby us. So for example here, यी मेरा साथीहरू हुन्, which means these are my friends. यी मानिसहरू, which means these people. यी जनावरहरू, which means these animals. यी लुगाहरू, which means these clothes. So you can use like this for a group of people, things, and animals. Plural form of yini is yiniharu. So here in the picture, the mother is asking to her son, yiniharu ko hun? Who are these people? Maybe she never saw them. That's why she is asking with her son, yiniharu ko hun? Who are these people? So the son replied, yiniharu mera sathi hun. These boys are my friends. यिनीहरू मेरा साथी हुन्. त्यो, which means he, she, that, and this is a casual form of third person, usually used for a younger person and to point out person or a thing which is near, which is far, and is still visible to us, but it is also used when the person, thing, or animal is not physically present at the place where the people are talking, but both the parties know who or what they are talking about. And tini, which means he, she, this is a medium form of third person, medium form of tyo, like a respect form of tyo, which is used for any young person who is at a distance, same like tyo. This can be used for both male and female. So here in the example, maybe the person see his or her sister, like younger sister. So the person said, त्यो मेरी बहिनी हो. त्यो मेरी बहिनी हो. That is my sister. So he can see, but the sister is far away, like far at a distance, far or at a distance. So he or she said, त्यो मेरी बहिनी हो, which means that is my sister. And another example of tini, here are elderly couple, and they are thinking about their grandchildren. Maybe they haven't seen her for a while, so they are saying, one of the grandmother is saying, तिनी के गर्दै छिन् होला, which means I wonder what she is doing. तिनी के गर्दै छिन् होला. So like this you can use त्यो and तिनी. And I already told you that त्यो is also used for pointing out things and animals that are at a distance from us. So for example here, त्यो strawberry हो. That is a strawberry. त्यो strawberry हो. And त्यो बिरालो हो. That is a cat. त्यो बिरालो हो. So like this you can use त्यो for animal and things. Plural form of त्यो is ती, which is used to point out a group of people or things, animals, far from us, yet again close enough to see. So for example, ती बिरालाहरू राम्रा छन्, which means those cats are cute. ती बिरालाहरू राम्रा छन्. And ती केटाकेटी, those children. ती जनावरहरू, those animals. So you can use for a group of people, a group of children, animals, you can use ती. A small reminder for you, यो, त्यो, यी, ती is used for people as well as animals and things. However, उनी, तिनी is only used for people. So please remember that. Don't use uni, tini for animals because we don't show respect to the animals. So use uni, tini only for human being. Plural form of tini is tiniharu. And here in the picture, we are teacher of same school, me and my friend. My friend who is sitting with dog, she haven't seen her student for a while, so she is asking me, तिनीहरू सन्चै छन्? How are they? She wants to know about her student, so she is asking, तिनीहरू सन्चै छन्? And I replied, तिनीहरू सन्चै छन्, चिन्ता नगर. So which means, yes, they are fine, don't worry. So, तिनीहरू सन्चै छन्, चिन्ता नगर, I replied. So plural form of tini is tiniharu. You can use for more than one person. Uha or waha both means he and she. Either way you can use uha or waha. This is a higher respect form of third person which is used for a respected person or an elderly person. Here in the picture, I am looking at my friend's photo album and I see an elderly lady who I don't know. So I ask to my friend, उहाँ को हुनुहुन्छ, which means who is she? So my friend replied, उहाँ मेरी हजुरआमा हुनुहुन्छ, which means she is my grandmother. So as mentioned above, uha waha is a higher respect form best suited for addressing elderly people. This also applies when they are not present in the current situation. But previously I mentioned that sometimes people will use the casual form of third person u instead of the more respectful ones uni or waha when the person who is being talked about is not present in the current situation. But if you are talking about them with someone who knows them well, respect them, are their relatives or even family members, then it is best to use uha or waha. So keep that in mind. But there are some exceptions for sure. For example, when talking about authors, poets, historical figures, uni or tini is used more often than uha or waha. I'll make another video in detail about this topic. We will talk more about in that video. Plural form of uha and waha is uhaharu and wahaharu respectively. So here in the picture, the lady is talking about the couple. So she is telling, उहाँहरू मेरो दिदी भिनाजु हुनुहुन्छ. They are my sister and brother-in-law. So Didi is sister, elder sister, and Vinazu is brother-in-law. So उहाँहरू मेरो दिदी भिनाजु हुनुहुन्छ. So we have learned about third person in this video. If you have any questions regarding this topic, please feel free to ask them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching my video. फेरि भेटौँला. See you again. Bye.